walk your hands to the front of the mat, shifting your weight. And just allow your hips to rest onto the mat. Allow your toes to relax. And allow your hips also to relax down into the floor. If this is a bit hard and it's straining your back, gently just bend your elbows so that your hip is comfortable on the floor. From here, gently look up to the ceiling, roll the shoulders back, going into your cobra pose. You'll almost feel the stretch right from your chin all the way down to the pelvic region, especially on the belly. Stretching it out and staying here for another 3. Remembering to breathe. For 2. Last little breath here. And for 1. Slowly bring your head back and gently bend your elbows. From here, slowly look towards your right heel, almost like you want to spot your toes. And then you'll feel this nice stretch on the left side of the body. Stay here for a few counts. Good. And slowly come back to center and move into the opposite side. So bending your left elbow, look to the left heel. And if that's easy, you can even look towards the left thigh. Stretching the entire right side of the body. Staying here for 2. And for 1. And slowly coming back to center, straightening the elbows, looking up to the ceiling. And then gently bringing your chest down to the earth. You can adjust so that you're at the center of the mat. Take a minute here to just lie down, catch your breath if you've lost it.
Setu Bandhasana, also known as the bridge pose. For this, bend both your legs. Bring your feet as close to the buttocks as you can. Place your arms by your side, palms facing down. Now from here, make sure to tilt your pelvis back in a posterior pelvic tilt. Now if I try to pass my arm under the back, it won't go. That's the way to know that you've done this right. So once you've tilted that pelvis, inhale, take your hips up. And slowly bring your hips down with an exhale. Let's do this a few more times. Inhale, take your hips up. Exhale, bring your hips down. Once again, inhale, take your hips up. Make sure that your knees are together. And exhale, bring the hips down. Last 2 times. Pelvic tilt. Inhale, take the hips up and exhale down. One last time. Inhale, take the hips up and slowly bring the hips down. Straighten your legs. Bring your arms to your sides, palms facing up and relax in Shavasana.